Hi, I'm Nathan Prusso. I'm a project manager for Shields Residential. One of the biggest things, pretty monumental, was getting the deck rebuilt. So really excited to see that happen. We made some on-site changes before the framing was completely done as far as the roof overhang goes. So while we were waiting for framing and material to be delivered to the job site, one of the things we took opportunity to do was to get more demo done. We've taken out the majority of the flat work around the pool, and we've also started a project on thinking about drainage at the back of the house. So we took out some existing kind of concrete gutter system and create some outlets for that water to be dispersed around the house.
So I'm standing in the front door. The door opens this way. And this beam is structural, but what we found out is that we can eliminate it by putting a big beam across here that will support this whole area. So I think it'll be really nice to not have this beam here when you walk into the house, so that'll just be open. And you'll be able to see the rocks at the back of the dining room, and then the steps up will not be blocked by this beam. The area behind me now is the kitchen. If you go way back to the beginning, we used to have louvered doors that kind of close the kitchen off. And what we're doing is there was a bathroom behind the kitchen, and we've eliminated that bathroom to sort of bump the kitchen out and make it a little bit bigger than the 1963 version of the kitchen. Since everyone loves a big open kitchen these days, we thought that was a good move to make. And also, the previous kitchen didn't have any windows. So bumping it out allows us to have windows in the back, which will face the rocks of the mountain. So kitchen is expanded, the width of a bathroom. This is bedroom 3, and we're making some changes in this room. This is the room that used to have the porthole window, and we're changing that to a sliding door right here. And also, this room is sort of on 2 levels. This used to be a closet, and it's on the upper level, which is a concrete slab. So as opposed to cutting into the slab, we're just going to create a built-in where we can back a queen-size bed into here, into sort of an alcove, and then create a platform that's the same height to support the rest of the bed. I'm standing in what used to be a hallway, and this hallway is going to become part of bedroom 3, which is the bedroom that we were just in. Behind me there was a door, and we're going to close off that door and then expand the bedroom to this concrete block wall. And the area behind me is the snug or entertainment area. So I don't think we need a door from this bedroom into that area. So we're going to close this off, and we'll gain this space into bedroom 3. So this area behind me used to be a closet, and we're expanding it a little bit and making it into a powder room. And the reason we're doing that is because we are eliminating one of the full-size bathrooms in order to expand the kitchen without changing the footprint of the house. So we felt like it would be good to add a powder room so that there was something near the pool and also near the cabana/bar room, which is right over here. So powder room to come in this space behind me. Thanks for watching this update, and stay tuned for what's next.